Okay, Joe. Voltage coupling disconnected.
Okay, go ahead and cut that green wire.
Green, you said red.
Did I?
Yeah. You said red.
You sure?
Yes, you said red.
Okay, let's go with red.
What the hell is wrong with this guy?
He just fell 10,000 feet. It's possible he's not thinking that clearly.
Hey, Abe, stay with me, pal. Hey, guys, we need to get this thing off of him, like, now.
What are we gonna do here, Cap?
Cut the red one. His disorientation is just now presenting. Let's go with his first instinct. Cut the red one.